morning, ladies and gentlemen. Welcome back to the channel. Thank you for joining me once again. Today, we are going to be changing out this plastic GM OEM expansion tank. And it really sucks. Not so much that it's badly or poorly built. It's just that it's plastic. It's in here with a lot of heat. It's right next to the oil filler cap and all the engine heat from that. And it's next to the engine. So you need something that's a little sturdier. So I decided that I'm going to get rid of this. And I bought this from a business that I no longer do business with before I started to no longer do business with them for reasons that, of course, you know, if you've seen the short or the video that I placed about it, you'll know who and why. So I will not be naming or promoting that product at all, but I will be showing you the product that I did buy, and it is this. This is an aluminum, I imagine, expansion tank. It's built very well, I have to admit that. But there are some issues with it as far as what I'm holding it by here. That little bracket, it is a pain in the ass to get to put the bolt back onto that bracket so that it stays flush against the wall, the firewall. But anyway, so it's a pretty nice expansion tank. It's a little bit, I mean, it's not contoured. It's more blocky than anything. But it should be pretty easy to get in and get out. Of course, I say that now because I haven't started wrestling with the thing. But hopefully I can get this thing in and I can show you guys what it's all about. It is pretty solid. So once again, it's pretty well built. Has a Moroso cap on it and an extra vent here, which, like the OEM, it has a piece of plastic on the bottom and there's a vent on the bottom. Of course, the vent on this is on the top, so I'm going to probably take and run some hose from this vent and probably run it down so it goes under the car, and if there's overflow, or it's a 25 psi I think max on that cap, so anything over that and it'll blow and it'll push it all down to the bottom of the car and to the ground, and not have a plastic cap. So I guess with nothing else being said, we're going to go ahead and get this started. So just stand by and we'll speed through this, and I'll see you at the end.
7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1.
You'll never have the sacred stone.
Oh, this you crazy mother.
Real quick, and I'm going to skip past a little bit here so to get to operating temperature, and you'll be able to see what it is that I'm doing here. Of course, those who know, you'll understand that I'm just going to go ahead and refill the radiator, get all the air bubbles out of it, and then go from there. Okay, got it all wrapped up and we're done. It's a good product. I do like the construction of it. It's pretty nice. It looks great. It's a little bit smaller than the regular or the OEM tank, so that helps. It's a little bit easier to get your hand between the fuse box and the tank itself. Other than that, it's pretty much the same, but it's a nice product. I have to give it to them on that. I did run that hose down to the bottom of the car, so it sticks out about an inch, a half inch below the car, so that it drains properly. The thing that I am going to be working on next video, there's past this wire, this hose here, there's a thermostat. So I'm probably going to switch to a 160 degree thermostat because it is extremely hot out here in Arizona, and I want to keep the temperatures down in this car as best I can. I'll definitely probably be getting a new radiator as well. So with that being said, ladies and gentlemen, thank you once again for joining me. I'm sorry I don't upload as much as I can or could. I've been on vacation for a month and a half, and I'm back once again. So thank you once again for joining me. I do appreciate you. If you're interested in getting this tank, I will not tell you who I bought it from, or I will not promote who I bought it from, but I will most likely put a link in the description so you can see other places that do offer aftermarket expansion tanks for the C7 Corvette. Have a great day. Please be safe out there, and take care of yourselves.